What's up everybody, this is Andrew from 4Runner Customs bringing you another Toyota how-to video. Before we get into it, if you want to check out some Toyota content that's actually entertaining, be sure to look up my main channel, 4Runner Customs, or if you want to see some custom built and designed mods for these vehicles, check out 4runnercustoms.com. Now let's get into the video. I'm here in my 4th generation 4Runner and I wanted to find a solution for one of the most annoying problems with these 4th gens. So as you know, these cup holder arms and this whole mechanism is pretty poor, especially with heavier things like tumblers or big water bottles or taller energy drinks. They just really tend to not hold up well for, quick turns or anything that basically shifts the weight in this cup holder. A lot of times I'd find that they go back and forth, the arms snap closed, and then my drink spills, or I have to hold the top when I'm turning in order to prevent a drink from falling over like this, which is just not ideal. And so of course I went online to see what options there were, and I found a couple different 3D printed options just from random places, and I ordered them and they were not really what I was looking for. A lot of them were loose, so they would come undone, they wouldn't sit tight in here, or they just didn't go with the edges of the cup holder extremely well. And so that got on my nerves, and that caused me to 3D print my own. So I want to show you guys what I've got here. So go ahead and remove this old one, and then we have this one here. This is what the design I came up with. It's of course custom fit to these vehicles, so it just slides right in. You have to hit it down a little bit, and that's what makes it extremely secure. This thing is really not going to go anywhere, and it holds these larger and taller and heavier drinks a lot tighter, so that way on the road they do shift around a tiny bit as with any cup holder, but they're not going to spill, they're not going to fall, and they're not going to make a mess. And that was big for me. So this is just a really inexpensive and easy fix for an annoying problem with these 4th generation 4Runners. So if you want to get your own, feel free to check out my website 4runnercustoms.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.